Good morning, students. Today we will learn grade 8 chemistry. Is it clear? So we will learn chemistry. Is it clear? Now, which is the chapter in chemistry? We have the chapter name called unit material properties. Material properties. In that it's chapter 4.1, the structure of the atom. Structure of the atom. Is it clear? Now atom is the smallest indivisible particle of matter. Okay. Now, so how the atom is very small, I said, no? Right? Now, atom come from a Greek word called cannot be split. Correct? Greek word called cannot be split. That means it cannot further break down. Okay, cannot be split. Is it clear? Now, so here now how is that atom very small in the size or the shape? Because we cannot see to our naked eye. Till today nobody has seen the atom, but we assume it is there. Now atom, as we know, is the smallest particle. Now, if I take sodium element, Na is sodium element. We take sodium element, all the atoms of sodium element behaves same. Is it clear? They never change. Clear? Now, like if you take potassium also, potassium element. Okay, so if you take this element, so the potassium element atoms are same, called potassium atoms. In the sodium element atoms are same, called sodium atoms. Is it clear? Now here, now what we should know now, atom is made up of three kinds of particles. Atom is made up of three kinds of particles. What is that part? We'll see that. Now, if you see this, atom are made up of three small particles. They are proton, electron and neutron. Is it clear? So proton is positive charge, electron is negative charge, neutron is electrically neutral. Is it clear? Now I'll show you the structure of an atom there. I'll just draw the structure of an atom. Okay. Now I'll use two colors. Or three colors. You can see now. Now this is your proton and this is your neutron. Okay. Here you have electron and here you have proton and neutron. I'm showing different colors. Okay, here proton and this is your neutron. Okay, this is your empty space. Okay, these two collectively called as nucleus. What do you call this as? Nucleus. Is it clear now? Now that means an atom shows three particles. What are they? Electron, proton, neutron. Is it clear? Now proton and neutron, they are put together constitute nucleus. Is it clear? Now, okay. Now we will study the model of atom proposed by Ernest Rutherford. Is it clear? We will study the model given by Ernest Rutherford. Ernest Rutherford was the first scientist who got Nobel Prize for this. Now, model of an atom. Okay, model of an atom. Okay. Now, let us see what he has done. Now, he has given what he has done. He has taken a high beam alpha rays and passed on to a gold plate. That means his model, we call them as Rutherford gold foil model experiment. Rutherford, who is that? Ernest Rutherford. Ernest Rutherford gold foil model. Gold foil model. Okay, so this is a model given by Rutherford. What he has done, he has taken a high beam alpha rays and passed on to the gold plate. This is called as a gold plate. Thin gold plate. Okay. Now here there is one what you call the particle detector. What you call this as particle detector. Particle detector. Particle detector. Now what he has done, he has taken the high beam alpha rays and passed on to the gold foil. So some rays was going directly passing into it. Okay, I think it's not working properly. Okay, some rays were passing directly into it. Okay, some rays were deflected by a great angle. Okay, and here I'll show you this. This is the nucleus there now. Now some rays were reflected. Some rays, I will show you different color. Some rays were reflected, going back and bouncing back. Okay, they are bouncing back. Okay, now he observed there are three types of charges in an atom. So that was his what do you call this foundation. He has laid a foundation to the other scientists to further discover. Correct. So he got Nobel Prize for discovering different three charges in an atom. Okay. Then later on, J.J. Thomson joined. Later on, who joined? J.J. Thomson joined. Okay, J.J. I'll write here. Whether you can see it, Okay. This is falling on this screen here. Okay. Now, J.J. Thomson first. So see, Ernest Rutherford has discovered passing high beam electrons onto a gold plate, and he saw that some are moving, some are passing through the plate and reflecting on the particle detector, and some are taking a deviation, taking a big angle, and some are bouncing back. Okay, so he said that there are three types of charges in the atom, and that was his conclusion. Fine. Later on, that means he made a foundation for other scientists. Now, other scientists scratch their head. What is this? Why that some rays are going straight, some rays are going taking an angle, some rays are going and coming back. Now, what could be that? Let us find out. So, one by one, three scientists involved in this. First one, J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson discovered electron, a negative charge. Okay. Next, Goldstein discovered proton, positive charge. Later on, James Chadwick discovered neutron. Is it clear? So electron was having the charge, the weight is, the mass is very less when compared to proton and neutron. So that was their conclusion. All three scientists, including Rutherford, 4 scientists, they got Nobel Prize for their discovery of atom. Is it clear now? Now this chapter completes here. Now I will give you some questions for you. Okay. Now let me give you some questions. First question. Name the scientist who discovered. First question. Name the scientist who discovered A. Proton, B. Electron, C. Neutron. Clear? Second question. Name the particles present in the nucleus of an atom. Okay. Let's start. Third one. Name the I give you this name. I'll tell you. Name the okay. I'll give you like this. Which experiment? Okay. Which experiment was conducted by Ernest Rutherford? Is it clear? Okay, these are the questions. For the next class, I'll be asking these questions, and we'll move to the next topic of this 4.2. Okay, thank you. Stay safe. Thank you.